Hi everyone, my name is MEERJA SAI. I am from Kavali, Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my B.TECH in MEERJA Institute of Technology with a stream of Computer Science of Engineering with a specialization of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. I have joined in the Jspiders Punjagutta in the month of June. I have enrolled the course of Java Full Stack Development. My trainers are HTML trained by Reshma madam and Java trained by Kaushik sir and SQL trained by Gagandeep sir and Advanced Java trained by Ravi sir. I have enrolled some other courses like manual testing and React JS. Based on the market demand, I have enrolled to do some other courses. During my 7 months, I got a hands-on experience and the faculty is a good quality of the faculty. They teach me, they guide me and very well, and as a HRs and they support very well.